Manish Kothari, Managing Director of Rhino Machines, அவர்களை அறிமுகப்படுத்த உள்ளேன். Sir, Mr. Manish Kothari, sir, how do you find this machine? What intention? What is your intention? How you get this technology?
We are working in the foundry industry for more than 32 years. I have been 33 years now. Started by my father in 83. One of the key mission statements of our organization, which was formed by our founder, my father, R.C. Kothari sir, was waste recovery and energy efficiency as a social responsibility is a mission statement of Rhino Machines. So, and we work for the foundry industry for now 4 decades or more. When we saw foundries having an issue with the sand disposal, this was somewhere in 2013-14, we started working on green sand reclamation. When we set up the plant, we saw there was a sand reclamation was happening. So that was our first step into waste recovery. But there was 30% dust generated. And one of the foundry directors, when he was looking at setting up this plant, he said, you have solved 70% of my problem, why don't you make it 100%? That's when we started working on this project. So it's a service to the foundry industry from where we have grown. This is where our business is. So how we can, if our industry grows, then only we'll survive. So it's a coexistence.
One more question. From foundry customer side, I'm asking you. Foundry is making castings, but they don't have sources how to sell this component. They are not focusing it, but they need solution. You have given excellent solution, of course, no doubt about that. But how they market this?
It's a very interesting question because if you look at foundry, basically, what Silica Plastic block process is not very different from what the foundry has been doing for years together. They're taking scrap metal, melting it and casting it into different shapes. The shape already has a ready market. So even today, foundry is not getting into the product marketing. They are catering to an existing market. Silica Plastic block technology, when the foundry wants to adopt, they also want a ready-made market. So we have to fill that space. So we took up that challenge and we said, okay, you do what you are good at. Means you are good at operations, processing, optimizing. You can have the investment. You have the input material. The marketing is something which we started investing into and developing products where the foundry doesn't have to worry where to sell, and we took up that responsibility.
Okay, sir. Any more information you want to tell to particularly foundry people in Tamil Nadu?
If you look at the way Coimbatore or Tamil Nadu industry has done, they have been very innovative in the way they have approached any challenge. Okay, so when it was metal, they got into different shapes using their engineering mind and how to do it. Now the only thing we have to look at, consider Silica Plastic block as a new material, okay, with a certain characteristic, and bring back that same old innovative thinking from Tamil Nadu, which says, okay, why don't we make a switch box, electrical box? Why don't we make a planter? Why don't we make a paver block? So you can, the message I would like to give to the Tamil Nadu or the industry is that you are industrious, you are innovative. Let's put our energy to figure out where this material can be used and make this cycle complete. So thank you, Arindan.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.